What's it with y'all know what it is, back again on the video. In this topic we're going to be talking about Fiverr and my experience with Fiverr and what I think about it. So I've been on the Fiverr platform for a minute, y'all. Like I always get stuff on Fiverr, like little stuff like covers for my music arts. All the covers that are on my other channel, my Raw Ink channel. I basically got covers for them, and I pay somebody to do the work. And I try using the promotion things, but like I don't really like the promotion things because it doesn't seem all the way legit. Because I don't know, it just like I don't be getting comments like that, so I wasn't really doing that. But now I just started a seller's account, so I'm a complete seller now. So I'm trying to basically offer gigs and everything. So, and if you want interested in what gigs I do, you can check the link in the description. I do like YouTube banners and stuff like that, but I got a lot of other stuff. So if you want to check out my Fiverr, you can always check in the link in the description. But anyways, like I was saying, like Fiverr is I've been hearing a lot of horror stories on YouTube about like how hard it is to make sales, and for me it wasn't hard to make a sale because I already I know a few people, I know a few artists that are trying to grow. So I got my first sale already, so I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna show y'all what, so you can see for yourself. So it's $4, but $4 is a start. I just made my Fiverr like a few days ago, like not even like a day ago. So to get your first sale is pretty cool. So like I'll be watching other videos on YouTube. I've heard like somebody said it took them like 24 days or something to get their first sale. So I was excited, but but I'm still trying to learn the process at the same time. So I definitely gonna have more gigs on there. So the best strategy is you want to have more gigs. So you don't want to just have depend on one gig, and of course you don't want to just depend on one income. Like I got multiple different incomes, so that's the whole part of being an entrepreneur. I didn't want to work for nobody, and I got more videos like that on the way. So if you're not make sure you like this video, and make sure you drop a comment at the bottom of the video if you have a Fiverr account, because this is a video about Fiverr. And tell us your experience in the bottom link description. Tell us your experience, how was it in Fiverr, because like I said, I heard a lot of bad experiences in Fiverr. So I just want to make a quick video on my experience on it, and so far it's pretty good, and I look forward to giving y'all updates on let's say a month, a 30-day. How about that? We do another video in 30 days and let you know how it's going on Fiverr. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and make sure you subscribe. It's your boy Raw Ink TV. I'm gone.